Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another Zara haul because you love them, I love them, everyone just loves Zara, so why not just do more videos? Thank you guys again for joining into my video. The outfit that I'm wearing is a Zara blazer, but I've worn it as a dress because I'm risque. I love it. I'll put a link to the description bar for where you can purchase it. I think it's still in stock in Zara, if I remember correctly. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. It was this beautiful, like, dye effect dress in this kind of gold colour, like an iridescent gold. And then you got the black and like a hint of blue. Absolutely stunning. I paired it with a belt to just cinch in our waist. It's kind of got like, what's that material called? Can't remember the material, but I'll give you a close-up look. You may be able to tell what the material is. It's lost my mind. I got in a size 80, which is the smallest one. The belt is $17.99. Got a nice round black plastic effect in the middle, which is nice. I love the dress. A nice soft satin. You've got spaghetti straps with a deep V. Yeah, and it fits and feels great. I've gone braless, and as you can see, you cannot see anything. It's not see-through, which is great quality. And then if I show you the back, do we have adjustable straps? Oh, we don't this time. But it's still really cute, and it still works nice. What is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, kind of got like a bow effect at the back. Okay, that's kind of cute. But I think this works really nice, doesn't it? Sorry for the tag, but you know. So the belt, I told you the stats of that. The dress is extra small to small and it's only $29.99. So I think it's a really great dress for summertime. Look at that, very nice and conservative, all covered up, but still stylish and chic. So next up from the Zara Tourist collection, I almost ended up buying those yellow sandals, like with the little heel. Then I looked at them, I was like, I would never wear these. Why am I thinking of purchasing them? It just looked cute with the outfit. This dress is low-key really nice, isn't it? It's very like mermaid dress. I love this. Got this high slit just on the verge of being a little bit risque. You know, if you put out your legs a bit too much, you end up showing everything. But as long as you keep your legs nice and close together, you won't expose yourself. I like that sexiness of it. But what I love about Zara is when they're sexy, they're not overly sexy. You know, they'll have a high slit, but they'll be covered up in the top, which I love about Zara. I think that's why I really enjoy shopping from them, because the items really remind me of how I want to dress. They're very conservative, but they can be sexy and fun, but they never go over that line where it's, you know, the lady of the streets. But yeah, really beautiful dress. It's kind of got that like rushed effect here in the front, which pulls that material and gives it a lovely effect. Oh, my hair. Really, really gorgeous. Very like mermaid-esque. I love the colour of it. It's like, it looks, the material underneath is a silver grey, and then like the sequins are like green. Oh, it's just really beautiful. I'll show you the back as well. Sorry, I have not hooked it up. It's meant to be hooked up like so. The only thing that I have with this dress is, where would I wear it? Like, I don't know if I could wear it in the daytime. The pictures they took, she was wearing it in the daytime with those heels, but I'm trying to... They are outfits that you can wear in the, you know, you buy only to wear in the nighttime. But I know that I can wear them multiple times. This one I feel like would be like a one-hit wonder. I wouldn't want to wear it multiple times. So it's definitely a question mark. I do love it. Got in a size extra small and it's $29.99. The next piece from Zara was a suit, and I'm really disappointed in this suit. I love the look of it. It looked really, really nice online. However, the first instance of trying it on, a tassel fell off, which just kind of predicted the quality of the suit. It is not Zara standard to me. Like, the material of the suit is nice and light. I understand it's probably for summertime, springtime, but it's not that standard Zara suit feel that I like. Like that pink one and that yellow one just had that real blazer suit look to it and feel to it. This one is just not that. It is a really nice look, but the cut of it, I think I'm just really not in love with it. I love what they were trying to do with the look, but I just don't like how it turned out. Even the material of the trousers, they're nice and light, as I said, really good for summer and spring, but I don't really use my suits in summer and spring. I would wear a dress in summer and spring. So I would prefer a quality that's a bit thicker and more of that blazer look and blazer feel. So the trousers are okay, a bit loose on the waist, but we do have elastic at the back, which does make it go in a bit more. But very light material. They will look better on when they are ironed, I have to say that. But yeah, I'm really disappointed in this. It's got pockets though. They tried to make me happy with pockets, but I'm just not happy at all. The jacket is $79.99. Yeah, it's not worth the price for me. I think the pink suit that I got was $79.99 or $89.99. That was worth it. This isn't for me. And the trousers, so the trousers were $29.99, which is more fitting to their material, but still, I just don't think this is worth it. You know, you can still try it on for yourself if you do want to try out the suit, but for me, it's not a keeper. It's a straight return because this outfit is not worth £100. I have to love it to spend that amount of money. But yeah, I'll show you the back still. If I can just get my hair to listen to me. Oh, and just to mention, I got the suit in a size extra small and the bottom is an extra small. I have to always put my hand here because I always spill out. I need to get a safety pin to make it a bit higher for me. The next item that I got from Zara is definitely giving me a 90s vibe. Beautiful orange top. You know, like in those Beyonce videos where they would wear those like really sexy like tops and like jeans, like showing off their midriff. Like, I really feel like I'm back in the 90s, like back in the 2000s, even though I was a baby. But I feel like I'm able to live like that lifestyle. I love this top so much. Love the color of it. Very sexy and fun. The jeans again are from Zara. They are jeggings. I'll put the link in the description bar. But how cute is this? Really fun, and the color is everything. So at the back, you've got these big chunky straps, so you can decide like how tight you want the top to be to suit you. Yeah, I just love it. Really cute little fun crop top. Let me find the tag. So I got this in a size small and it's $15.99. Last but not least from Zara was this white top, which I'm really disappointed about. It looked great online and I've seen loads of people wearing it, but it's not good quality. Like, it's very see-through. Like, I can see my underneath it, and it's not a top that you can really wear a bra unless you wear a strapless bra. But yeah, very disappointed in Zara with this top. Zara, you know, you could have done better. Like, they should have lined this better, and for the price of it, it's just not worth it. It should have been much better quality. I feel like I'm talking to Zara like, you should have stepped up your game, Zara. I'm very disappointed, like a mother. Let me just get the stats on this. This is $29.99 and I got it in extra small. It's so not worth the price. £30 for a see-through top. Great design. I like where you were going with it, but it needed to be lined, so it's going to be a return. But I'll show you the back. Yeah, maybe check out some other retailers because someone else will have a very similar top. Hopefully they'll just do it a bit better with better quality material. Okay guys, so that's the end of my Zara haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I am just loving making these videos for you. Thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe to the channel so you can see more of me, I can see more of you, and have a blessed day, have a happy day, happy week, and I'll see you soon. Bye!